Mike from the Park Prodigy again. So you just purchased your Walt Disney World tickets and now you're wondering, hey, Mike, what's next? So there are a few additional steps that might be a little different from previous years if you visited Walt Disney World before. Specifically in this video, we are going to show you exactly how you can link your Walt Disney World confirmation number to your My Disney Experience account. So if you did purchase from the Park Prodigy, here's going to be the screen you see at checkout. And what's going to happen is we are actually going to send you an automated email just letting you know, hey, we did receive your order. Please give us some time as we process everything and push your order through to Disney, but we are working on it. Now, it's very important that I go over this and just confirm that this is not your confirmation number here from Disney. This is just the Park Prodigy confirmation number. In the next email that we send to you, you will receive that confirmation number from the Walt Disney Company. And because we are a travel agency, one of the cool things is that we actually use the exact same reservation number as Disney. So it's a little redundant, but what's going to happen is you are actually going to receive two emails. The first email is going to be from the Walt Disney Company, and then the Park Prodigy is just going to confirm, and we are going to send you an additional email outlining your Walt Disney World reservation number and, of course, all those great benefits that come from purchasing from our small business. So this is, in a nutshell, what that confirmation email from the Park Prodigy is going to look like. Now, I opened up my Gmail just to kind of give a feel for, what it's going to look like on your end. But as you'll see here, the main subject line, and this is the most important thing, is your Walt Disney World ticket confirmation number right here. This is what it's going to look like. This is the length, all that good stuff. This is obviously a made up number. So I'm not actually going to be able to link it, but I'm still going to walk you through the steps. Outside of that, we're also just going to confirm everything that is associated with your order number. So that means we're going to go over the price with you one more time just to make sure everything looks good there. And then this is very important right here. We're just going to confirm the exact ticket types that you guys did purchase once again. So if you see anything off, maybe you decide, hey, I have the one park per day, but I definitely want to upgrade to the Park Hopper. Just let us know. And the last thing is going to be the dates right down here. Now, as far as the next steps that I'm about to review with you, we do outline it in the email, but of course, if you guys are visual thinkers, you obviously are going to prefer the video over some instructions. I know I do, and that's why we're taking the additional time and steps to go over this for you. So we have our confirmation number. What is next? So you very simply can go to the Disney World website, but we're going to take you directly to the My Disney Experience account. So we find it better to use this on the desktop. We just find it cleaner and a lot easier to link your tickets. So that's what we're going to do. Very simply though, if you just go to Google, just type in My Disney Experience, it's going to be one of the first things that pops up. This is what the sign-in screen looks like. If you don't have an account just yet, you can always sign up for an account. But I'm guessing if you're this far in the process, you might already have one. So I'm very simply just going to go and log in. I've been on this so many times that obviously my computer already has my password saved. Don't hate, I'm showing my age with the AOL screen name, but hey, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. That's the account I've had linked forever, so we're gonna keep it there. Have some plans down here. Me and my friends are going to run in the half marathon coming up at Walt Disney World. So to link your Disney tickets, very simply, if you're not already at the screen, you're going to go here to the right where it says My Disney Experience. Then you're going to come down here to where it says My Plans. And exactly where we were before is going to pop up. Now, to link your tickets, very simply come right into the middle of the screen where it says Park Tickets, and you are going to click Link Tickets. It's going to take you to a screen that's going to look for a confirmation ID number. This is the exact confirmation number that we were discussing before. You could very simply just copy this, come right here, paste, and you'll see you'll be able to link your tickets that way. Very important. One of the things that they're going to ask you is to assign every single member of your party a ticket. So you might need to add members to your My Disney Experience account if you haven't done that yet. Very simply, just add everyone in your family or in your group who's going to be traveling with you. Now, this is really it. Once you enter the confirmation number, you'll be able to link the tickets and you'll see the tickets in your plans. There is an additional step, making those park reservations, which we're going to cover in the next section. But that's it. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at the Park Prodigy.